Chief Minister Conrad Sangma is scheduled to meet with the Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh in New Delhi to discuss the allocation of defence land for the relocation of 342 families from the Harijan colony at Them Yau Maulong. Informing this, Urban Affairs Ngau Bhalang Dhar mentioned that the meeting would take place within the next couple of days. He assured that the government is actively working on relocation plan with a blueprint already in place. However, he also emphasized that alternative solution would be considered if a better option arises. The land for relocation will be provided free of cost.
You have to wait for some time, even maybe tomorrow or day after meeting the defense minister related with this subject only. Let us wait for some time about the Harijan issue, about the land, defense land, no? So maybe tomorrow they are going to. I think so in Delhi. CM is to Delhi, so he's planning to meet the defense minister about the defense land, which we had been discussed earlier. So, and at the same time, so we are trying to solve it very positively in a way. So there is slight discussion is this. So we'll wait for some time, then we'll take a final call.
Meghalaya